Yes, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maro's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up Leader VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem while the setup, let me know in the comment section. And that is it. So don't forget to like the tutorial. In the first step, we're going to start by opening Google Play Store. And then once you open Google Play Store, we're going to search for this application, which is Leader VPN. So you're going to download this application and make sure that after downloading it, you install it in your device. After installing it, make sure that you open it. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So this is how you're going to start, or this is how you're going to set up this application. First things first, you're going to start by updating, and then you're going to choose online method, and then you're going to wait for it to search for these updates. Then secondly, you're going to come where you see auto select a server, and then you're going to look for any server, but I recommend you to choose a server that is near to your country's location. But I recommend you to keep in the auto select server if you're not able to spot up those servers. And then lastly, you're going to come where you see a dialect. You're going to be seeing those servers that will be recommended in your countries, but we are going to come and try to select all countries. After selecting all countries, kindly choose UDP Hysteria, and then after press the start. Accept the connection request until this application connects on a secure connection. And if the UDP Hysteria server fails to give a secure connection, don't stress out that things won't work. Kindly let me show you what you're going to do next. You're going to come right there, and then the server you're going to come where you see all countries again, and then you're going to look for this. Let me show you. You're going to scroll up and look for any country server, but I recommend you to use your country servers. But we have a server right here that will be connecting to your country right here. So after press start, this server will be connecting in just an eye blink. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maro's Tech, and I sign out.